Hi, I'm Josh and I'm a project manager.
And I'm Jenna, an interior designer.
And we've moved from inner city Melbourne Terrace on 200 square metres to 3.5 acres in country Victoria.
The property is located in the historic wine region of Rutherglen, renowned for its food and wine scene.
When we first saw the house, it absolutely took our breath away. It was like the Queen perched up on the hill overlooking all the town.
It screamed possibility and potential. As we made our way up the driveway, the views were slowly revealed, from the township to the iconic wine bottle and the mountains beyond.
The kids jumped out of the car, started chasing each other around, the dogs were running amok, the kids were picking fruit off the tree. It felt like bliss and it felt like it was home immediately. I hadn't felt that sense of freedom and fresh air in such a long time.
We love the 100-year-old fruit trees, the olive orchard, the views, the shed that was bigger than our old home, the camels living in the back paddock. But the best of all was the remnants of the beautiful old home. We just knew this would be ours.
The house obviously comes with a heap of history. It used to be an old vineyard back in the day. It used to be called Motherwell Vineyard, Townview Vineyard, and now what's it called?
Well, Fred has nicknamed it the Castle House because she thinks it looks like a castle. So it's stuck.
There's actually the original Merlot grapevine still standing, and the shed at the back was actually rebuilt to be the same size as the winemaking shed. So we can't wait to dig into the history and make sure we do it some justice.
We plan to restore the home back to its former glory, but provide a contemporary addition to the house to capture the views and meet the needs of our growing family.
While we're renovating the old house, we're actually going to be living in a shed. So we've gone from an architectural house in Melbourne City to a shed in regional Victoria, so it should be very interesting.
But that's just the beginning. This property is all about the land, and that's where the real magic will happen. Our dream is to utilise this beautiful land to grow and nurture fruit, vegetables, animals and flowers. We want to teach our girls these valuable lessons while we learn along with them too. So this is not just a renovation. For us, this is a lifestyle change.
With this property, it's all about the journey and not the destination.
And the journey begins right now in a shed. Wish us luck.